Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. Currently in the bathroom, so ignore the noise. But one of the founders, Alexis Ohanian, actually just told Chamath Palihapitiya, which is basically a huge freaking like fun billionaire, right? He just told him, yo, he just said, tell me what to buy tomorrow, and if you convince me, I'll throw a few $100,000 at it. He's like, ride or die. And Alexis was like, dude, just fucking buy some GME, buy some GameStop, and we're all for it. And he just said, fuck. Dude, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I think GameStop right now currently is trading at about over $90. So I think we're pre-market, we are headed in a really good direction. But Jesus Christ, dude, this thing is starting to blow up pretty quick. And even more so, it feels like the short squeeze is coming like faster and faster. So we'll see, man. These big boys like Chamath is not a small player, dude. Like he is a billionaire. Like this dude can easily throw a couple 100,000, a couple million if he wants to at GameStop, and nothing can fucking stop him.